Okay guys, so if you want to use push notifications and the same with ads as well, I'll cover both in this video. So I'll go into my YouTube SEO checklist here and I'm going to click on manage notifications. We will do this one first. Okay, you can see I've already got one here. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll create a new one and I'm going to give it a title. I'm just going to say hello, just something quick and easy. I'll put some text in here and I'll put some other text. Okay, I think that's all I need. Okay, so I'll just put in https leadblaster.com. So we've got title, we've got text, and we've got a link. And that's been added. Okay, so once you've done that, you can come in here and you can add or you can publish. Okay, so that was the new one I just added in here. You need to click on here to publish, confirm it, and that's all you need to do. Now if somebody is opening your Chrome extension in the Chrome in the browser, then that push notification will open up. I haven't published this one yet, so I'm just showing you how to use it as I'm learning myself, as this is a brand new feature that we just added in today. Okay, and the same thing as well, if I just want to do it for the advertising as well, very quick and very easy. Just click on actions, click on manage ads. Okay, you can put in the URL, just put https adblaster.com. I've got a typo as usual. Choose a banner. Let's take this one here. This one I'll do. Click on upload so that it can pull it into the server. Okay, it should be showing you this one. I think he's maybe working on this. Oh, here we go. Okay, so you can see this. Once we got that uploaded, just come in here and save the changes. Okay, and you can click on publish your ad. Ads published successfully. That means that your ad is going to show. So if I come back into my apps one more time, and I come in here and I go into the preview, you see my ad is there now. It's just that simple. It's really quick and easy. Okay, so if that was in the Chrome store as well, then you would have that push notification showing up as well. Simple stuff. Thank you for watching.